In yet another incident of drug seizure, Borpathar Police Station apprehended one drug peddler at Bokajan and seized 20 soap case boxes of suspected heroin from his possession on 23rd July. On 23rd July, acting upon the specific intel from its sources, a special naka was set up at Bokajan under Borpathar Police Station in Karbi Anglong by OC Borpathar, SI Dipen Barua, SI Biplop Das, ASI Vidya Boraha, ASI Hussein Ahmed Laskar, C20 CRPF Bokajan Camp and Borpathar Police Station staff. At about 6 p.m., a bus bearing registration number AS01GC5833 was intercepted in suspicion of boarding illicit drugs with it. The bus was rigorously searched and recovered 20 soap boxes of drugs weighing 275.81 grams of suspected heroin from the bus. A person named Santosh Thapa, son of Gaj Bahadur Thapa, village Dilai 12 Mai, Police Station Dilai, District Karbi Anglong was arrested. Drugs were seized under the physical supervision of John Das, APS, SDPO, Bokajan. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.